Hey there, welcome to Design Guy. Ready to make your text come alive with pro-level animation tricks in Canva? Click the Create button. Next, select Custom Size and enter 300 by 300 pixels as your dimensions. After your canvas appears, go to the Elements tab and in the search bar, type Galaxy to find options. In the Photos section, select this background image. Next, click to add a text box on top of the background. Enter your desired text, then adjust the font style, size, and color as needed. This customizes the appearance of your text over the selected background image. To change the font style for the 210 black box, scroll down the font list until you reach the bottom. Then, select black from the available options to apply the new font style. Click inside the text box and type Galaxy. Make sure you enter the word exactly as shown. Once you've typed Galaxy, double check for any spelling mistakes before moving on to the next step. Let's trim the background to match the text exactly. Select the background layer, then adjust its edges so they align perfectly with the text. This creates a clean look and ensures your background matches the text precisely. Change this again, then place it here. Next, go to the Elements tab and search for additional backgrounds. Browse through the options and select a background style that complements your design. Click to add the new background and ensure it fits well within your layout. Adjust the position or size as needed so the elements look cohesive. Finally, double-check that the overall design matches your intended theme. To resize the background, first select the background image you want to use. Adjust its size by dragging the corners until it fits your desired dimensions. Once resized, move the background into position on your canvas. You're now ready to add your first background exactly where you need it. Click on the button to select a different platform. Locate the platform list and browse available options. Choose your preferred platform by clicking its name. Wait for the interface to load the new platform settings. If prompted, review and confirm any required permissions. Navigate through the updated dashboard to verify you are on the correct platform. Check that your previous selections have been saved or re-enter them as needed. If everything looks correct, proceed with your desired tasks on this new platform. Remember to save changes and log out when finished to ensure your settings are secure. Now, let's add animation by duplicating this page. Click the Duplicate Page button, then navigate to the Animation panel to begin applying your desired animation effects. On the next page, we will remove this text by selecting it and moving it upward using the arrow keys on your keyboard for adjustment. Duplicate the text again, then move the new copy to position 4. Make sure it aligns with the other elements. This completes your layout, with all 4 text objects evenly spaced and correctly placed in your design. Duplicate the text and move it to the desired position. Next, add a transition by selecting Match and Move. Increase the transition duration to the maximum setting for a smoother effect. Scroll down to review the options, then click Apply to confirm your changes. Make sure to select Apply within all pages to update every page automatically. Click the Preview button to watch your project. This lets you see how your slideshow or video will appear once it's finalized. After creating your content, use the Preview feature to review your work and make sure everything looks correct before saving or sharing. If you notice any issues, you can go back and edit your slideshow or video. Previewing is an important step to ensure your final project meets your expectations. To share and download your project as an MP4 video, click the Share button and select Download. Make sure to increase the video quality for best results before saving. If you want a GIF instead, choose GIF from the format options and follow the same steps, then click Download. Give your presentations a boost with dynamic animated text in Canva. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more creative tips.